Here it is the question number 19. The question number 19 is in the short form on the board, but I am just reading the question for you. In a test, 4 marks are given for every correct answer and minus 2 marks for every incorrect answer. Full stop. Asha answered all the questions and scored 26 marks, though she got 9 correct answers. Full stop. Varun also answered all questions and scored 2 marks, though he got 5 correct answers. Full stop. Find how many questions did each answer incorrectly. So we have to identify how many questions they have attempted incorrectly. Before that, we have to find how many number of questions are there in a test. So we are going to solve this one. Here is the question. Number of questions we have to find it. So just taking IM, number of questions is equals to, let x be number of questions in a examination. If a number of questions is equals to x, then number of incorrect questions attempted by the Asha. Incorrect questions by Asha is equals to, we can say that total number of correct question 9, then number of incorrect question is equals to x minus 9. Why? Because total number of question x and correct are 9, then incorrect becomes x minus 9. Therefore, for Asha, we can say that she scored 26 marks in an examination and she attempted all the questions. If she got 26 marks and 4 marks for each question, so 4 marks for each question by the correct answer, for the correct answer, into 9 minus 2 for incorrect answer, and she got x minus 9 incorrect. Therefore, last step, 26 is equals to 9 4s are 36, minus 2 into x, 2x, minus 2 into minus 9 becomes plus 18. So here it is, we can see 26, 36, 18. These are the constant numbers. Try to add them or subtract them. So 26 plus 36 plus 18, it becomes 26 is equals to 54 minus 2x. Last step, so 54 minus 26, it becomes 6 minus 14, it becomes 8, and 2 is equals to minus 2x. Therefore, x is equals to 14. If the total number of questions is equals to 14, then how many incorrect attempted by the Asha? So 9 minus 14, it becomes 5. Asha incorrectly attempted 14 minus 9 is equals to 5. If the total number of questions 14, then how many incorrect questions attempted by the Varun? Total number of correct questions attempted by the Varun 5. So 14 minus 5, remaining questions are the 9. That is the option number C is correct one. 5 we have already got it. For the Varun, we can say that directly 14 minus 5, 9. Question number 20 on the board in a very short format. So I am just reading question for you in a longer format. Ankush got rupees 500 on his birthday. On the next day, he got 350 as pocket money from his father and spent rupees 275 on repairing his cycle. Full stop. On the next day, his sister gave him rupees 170 as a reward. Full stop. How much money would he have now? Question mark. So we have to basically find out how much money he has right now. So just we are taking the plus or minus sign because he got 500, after that 350, and he is spending how much? 275. Again he is getting 170. It means we have to find out just normal format. 500 plus 350 plus 170 minus 275. So this one is a just basic concept. Add, and this one subtract. Why? Because he is spending the money. So 500 plus 350 is equals to 850. 850, 950 plus 70. 1020. So 1020 minus 275. Try to reduce this one. 10 minus 5, it becomes 5. 1 minus 7, not possible. So 11 minus 7, it becomes 4. And 9 minus 2, it becomes 7. 7. Where is the option? Option number A is correct one. So rupees. So this one is the correct one. Here it is the question number 21. In my account book, following are the entries in the book. So entries are: plus are indicating profit, minus are indicating loss of money. That is the 21 minus 19, 11 minus 20, 17, 25 and minus 13. So basically question is, how much profit did I make? So this one is a question. Just try to add the positive numbers and reduce the negative numbers. So profit is equals to 21 plus 11 plus 17 plus 25 and minus entries are 19 minus 20 minus 13. So try to add all the positive terms. So 5 plus 7, 12, 12 plus 1, 13, 13 plus 1, 14, carry 1, 1 plus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 74 minus negative terms are. So 20 plus 19, it becomes 39, 39, 42, 52, 52. So last step, 4 minus 2, 2, 7 minus 5, 2. 22 is your final answer. Where is the option number? B is the correct one.